Yo, what up, chat? Ooh, look at that kush growing, boy. Wow, so it's 24% a day. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yo, I just noticed. Oh, it's so noisy and shit. Instead of doing a baby cry face, tell me what the fuck's you. Hello? Are we still robot? Penis. Penis man. Alright. Yo, there's some guys growing weed next door. Boy! That shit, you want to get that weed over there? Steal their weed. Through the doors. I bet. Alright, so we got 50 seeds, which means we need 150 plastic. There's somebody outside. Hopefully they're robbing houses so I can fucking murder them. Please bless me, St. Jospeh. I'm a degenerate. I mean, is St. Jospeh not a degenerate? Okay, it's not a bomb, boys. We're okay. That was scary. Yo, Kappa, what up, dude? What up, chat? How you guys doing? Actually, for a Jesus stream, well, we'll see how it goes. I'm not sure how many police are going to be around right now, so depending on that is what we'll be doing. In fact, let's go to the police station. I gotta see if I'm wanted. I don't know if well, I can't remember what we did yesterday, but I don't think I'm wanted. I doubt we would have got written up by Toretti and that, considering we let them go, but worth a double check. Wait, is my game scuffed? Why is that guy over there invisible? Oh, for fuck's sake. I think my game's broken. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my game's broken. The launcher is a pile of fucking turd, chat. Everyone's like invisible and shit. God damn it. Fuck, I hate the launcher. It's such a piece of shit, chat. It is such a piece of shit. Alright, so this might take a minute or 10 to get fixed. Jesus fucking Christ. I don't understand how, like there's not just a fucking file check as soon as it launches. I mean, like, yo, that ain't the right file in that folder, my dude. Sorry.
Hello? Hello?
What? Hello?
Oh.
So
What the
you
fuck?
understand everything, you can do whatever the fuck you
Wait,
want?
what?
Yes, something like that, sir. I can't see people, I'm sorry.
Cards like that.
I'm gonna try the other launcher again and see if it works. Fuck me, dude. What a fucking pain in the ass. Alright, so that's this one. But, the other one wasn't even whitelisting me, so... I get the package today. It's only 9 a.m, so I don't know yet. Usually post is pretty quick in Australia. I'm surprised it's not here, in all honesty. But for some reason, I mean, it is Christmassy time, so post might be delayed a little bit. But it says it should be here by the 7th, which is next week. But usually, once it's processed with Australian Post, it's usually there the next day when it comes from a major city. So, yeah, I don't know, man. I mean, it's literally, it was 600 kilometers away, which is like usually an overnight thing. It would go to Sydney, get posted by air, and would be here. But, it ain't happening, apparently. Oh, so this is the files already, but we'll see if it works on this one. What the fuck, I hate this launcher, dude. It fucking pisses me off when it doesn't work. Okay, it's handshaking now. I think the other launcher whitelisted me. It's weird. Your mail still, yeah, I'd say because of all the lockdowns, it's probably slowed down things, and also the start of December is Christmassy post time, so there's a lot of stuff going in and out. If this doesn't work, chat, I swear to God, I'm gonna fucking break something. Otis, thank you for the 13 months. Christian, thanks for the 11. Scale, thanks for the 6. Appreciate it. New launcher, bro? Yeah, I'm well aware of that. Doesn't, I mean, it's a quote-unquote same launcher, but it's just the little things in it really fucking piss me off. It's like it works, but when it doesn't work, it's the most fucking annoying thing on the planet. Like if you change IPs or anything like that, it doesn't like it won't detect it essentially, and it won't try and re-whitelist that IP. It'll just like fucking, you know, base it off the old one. Then you have to close it for 10 to 15 minutes. Like, fucking dude, bruh. Remy and them just had a fake Jesus encounter. No, they didn't. My game was bugged and I had to leave. I don't know if they couldn't hear me. Could they not hear me? Because I did talk. I said I can't see anybody, and I FA quit. That's weird. Oh, I mean, I couldn't see their car or anything like that. They were just about full invisible, so. You've been having some fun learning how to use ES Extended. The best way to learn how to do anything on the internet is make your own complete version of it. Don't just use their shit, dude. Because you're just going to have the same poop server as everybody else on the internet. So I got all my slips and shit here though for the Pokemons, at least. You know, we ain't doing the craziest Pokemon openings, but it, you know, I might do it on stream, I think. I know Judd said he was interested to come and chat about it. I feel like, dude, I've only watched like 10 boxes, okay? Or 5 boxes of these get opened, but I feel like I already know you know, majority of the good ones. That's all, they're only the evolutions pack, so they're pretty, you know, pretty dull in comparison. But it might be interesting enough that you know, you guys would be willing to chill in an afternoon and watch it. I'm not gonna like hype it up or anything though. Just fucking chill and vibe and shit. Know what I'm saying, boys? All right, let's go see if there's a cop car. Yeah, it's yelled out. Yeah, that's why I got it. You know, I never really got into the car collections and things, but I find it funny that okay, so that worked. That looked like custom. Wait, is that the car I fucking stole yesterday? Just sitting there. Dear Father, I know I have sinned, but I believe this might be a sign from you to fuck people's shit up today. Amen. Amen, Father. I guess those Legos that I left at the shower last night taught you something. Not to be a fucking asshole to your son. Ooh, I'm walking funny. Maybe we'll get a skyrocket soon. Well, depending how it goes, I might get more, dude. Because honestly, if we get, because I got 2 boxes. So if we can get, you know, luck out on some bigger ones, the harder ones to get or something, and then we can work on actually making the entire set afterwards. Like, obviously, it's not as easy as just buying a couple of boxes and you're done, but, you know, you can trade and buy extras and shit like that, so. Alright, let's go see if there's a cop car real quick. The launch is fucked. There's a new launcher in update somewhere. Okay, I don't see cop cars yet. I think we might be fucked, boys. Oh no, that jacket's... Is that a police outfit? Oh, it's working. Except she's... Is it working? Oh, there's a cop car there. What the fuck? Why are they flickering though? Okay, they're good. Perfect. But if I could get the entire set and just like keep it for Jackamus, it could be like a cool thing that we you know, tell him about while he's young, and then when he's like 16 or 18 he could like sell it or keep it depending on what life is like at that point. Because I mean, I don't know what it's... I feel like Yu-Gi-Oh's got to be the... In 10 years, Yu-Gi-Oh's probably going to be like really big again. Whereas I'm not sure about Pokemon, because it's going to get bred out of us in like 10 to 20 years, you know what I mean? But it might still last that long. I imagine it would. I just don't know if it will ever have a fucking explosion again like it has now. You'd imagine it will. All it takes is like one hype thing to happen. I imagine it will happen at least in another 10 years or so. All right. So okay. Let's go down to the south side and see if that. Who was it? Lenny. I want to kidnap Lenny and fuck his shit up. Depends on a content creator bringing it back up. Well, you don't even need to be huge, in all honesty. I really think in 10 years, if somebody opened a first edition box again and no one had heard from it for a while, that shit's got to get like 50k views. You know what I mean? Like as a stream. You always got to have your gun ready, boys. Guns on the lap. Blat. I actually done some changes to vehicles too. Oh fuck, I was gonna do another thing. I was thinking of changing the heavy off cops again, so they've just got the small pistol, because now that, you know, now that you've realized almost every criminal was using crosshairs and their aim hasn't gotten better, we might need to nerf the police. Not even a meme. I think we actually have to probably get rid of the heavy pistol at this point. Except I think we'd have to test it thoroughly. Maybe I should go do that because we've got an hour to do testing really quick. So what I was thinking is fixing up the range difference. So they do similar range damage, but because right now, dude, I want this car though. This car's so good. Because the only problem with the cop pistol is that it doesn't have the range of a heavy, in terms of like it just doesn't hit at the same distance. So maybe I should go do that. Do you think, chat? And then we'll come back to this. I think that's probably what we'll do. I just hope I can get into my own server. Okay. Because, all right, let's make sure we're on the right branch and shit. 1 second. I already changed the vehicles up a little bit. So now vehicles will take longer to brake. Because obviously, like I said, crosshairs, you know, shooting a tire out's one thing, but when you get shot 5 times and it just breaks your vehicle, it's pretty fucking shitty, mate. All right. So that should also, it's not, it's like you'll need like 75% more bullets. So we'll see what happens there. I mean, I feel like that's quite a bit considering it. So going from like 10 shots to like 15 shots, I think is, you know, even that is considerable. So we'll see how it goes. All right, let me open up this shit. 1 second, boys. I can't remember how the files are set up. I just don't want to show my penis on stream. I meant something I shouldn't on stream. Also, I don't know if Coops posted it, but essentially we're adding a new wall for heists. So these shitlords stop fucking our shit up. Basically, you know, we're trying to get the old fucking RP back. I know there's a lot of shit like cops fucking, there's a lot of dumb shit being said, like literally fucking stupid. I like the more I think about it, the more I question people's fucking intelligence. The fact that there's people like saying that cops are like, you know, I don't even know, dude. I don't even know. I can't even comprehend it to even have the discussion, in all honesty. Like, don't get me wrong, I know there's situations where cops go overboard, but as a whole, police are so far tracked behind on what they can do, and on any other server, it would never be like this. But essentially, you know, we need to tidy up the roleplay, dude. And I think the reason the cops go excessive sometimes is because they're so used to all these shitlords that when a real role player comes, they don't realize it. You know what I mean? Or when a real situation comes, you just don't realize it's happening. You know what I mean? And you're stuck in this fucking shortcut cutting fucking just shitty experience always. But for the most part, it works. That's what I think the issue is. It does actually work, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to connect. 1 second, chat. I think we're good. I mean, it's sustainable, but when people try and do something big, it gets ruined because of that. But we want the big things to be the thing, you know what I mean? Yeah, but I know everyone. But the reality is, on this server, more people are criminals than police. So it's easy to make police the bad guys. But the reality is, the police and criminals are a reflection of how the server works. The entire community is like that. And when people start blaming one person while doing the same sort of shit, you know, it's sort of poopy, to be honest. I might need to get someone to join my server. I don't know if you'll be able to join it though. Yo, it'll probably take a while to download. Fair trade. Thanks for the prime, dude. Appreciate it, man. It almost sounds like CG. Well, It is everybody. That's the thing. You implying it's one group are exactly what I just complained about, but you're dumb enough to complain about it. Consider that, dude. Like, I don't know how much of a fucking moron you just wanted to make yourself like, but Jesus Christ, dude. Fuck, I need to change my outfit. I don't know, I'm fucking... 1 second, chat. I'll show you in a sec. I'm just gonna change my outfit real quick. Become model, Francis, J, Francis. I've still got the, I was in the model of, what's his name? Kevin's model, because of testicles, mate. Alright. So, really I don't think I need to see much here. I could probably do this based off like just the math side of things, I think. So, let's go to assets. No, it's weapon assets, I believe. So we don't have to gun metas. Here it is. So weapons, SNS pistol. Fuck, okay. I'm just wondering. Revolver Mark II's there. Wait, is it just like full on broke? Oh, it's probably here. There it is. So this is the gun police have used forever when it was quote unquote the most powerful gun in the server, guys. Okay. So it's on 34 damage right now. So maybe I have changed it, but the damage reduction was lower. Or was it? Let's have a look. Let's go to a comparison sheet. This will be easier. If I just like fucking zoink this. Actually, I can open this twice. Can I open this twice? Oh, I can. Okay, so if we go to heavy pistol, we can check out the stats here. So this one, the clip size isn't correct, I don't think. I don't know if this is accurate. I've got to check that. I don't think the clip size is based off what the model itself is. I think it's based off what the model puts in, not what that is there. I think you have to change the ammo configs and shit as well. Let me know if you need me to hop on there. Yeah, I might just give you my IP and get you to jump in. Because you're gonna have to download anyway, so I'll get you to jump in now while it downloads. It shouldn't be too slow. I got good internets, but I am also uploading my stream, so might be a little fucked. Just give us 1 sec. What is my IP address? There we go. All right, Judd, where are thou? Judd. Connect. All right, I'm gonna close that window so I don't leak the IP address, mate. All right. Anyways, let's go get these guns. Shut, bro. I'm Francis. I don't even know if I've got cop. I might have to. Okay, fuck. I don't know if I'm even admin on my own server. You're not white. Wait, you can't request job if you're not whitelisted for it? Wait, what the fuck? Is this real life? I wonder if it's because I was close to it. Request job needs to be whitelisted too? What the fuck? I'll just spawn the weapons. It's fine. It don't matter. I messaged you on Discord, by the way, Judd, if you're still there. So my idea is to yeah, give cops the pistol again, because honestly I added it as a point that like all the high IQ fucking chatters and streamers out there that thought the police PD pistol was overpowered, I gave it to them and no one uses it because it was dog shit all along. So, you know, I don't mind changing it back. Anyways, let's have a look at the values here. So this is going to do 34 damage per shot. Obviously, if you have no armor, it's going to be a 3-shot. If you have no armor, this would be a 3-shot. But when there's the 60 armor on top of that, or is it 60? Do we have 60 armor or 100 armor? I can't remember what we have. I think it's 60, right? Because is it 60? $60 sounds correct. CG being used in the 9mm? Bruh, shut the fuck up. Every person in the server is using a fucking heavy pistol because it's overpowered. Please. It's not connecting? Okay, it might be my firewall shit or something. I don't know how I can get you to connect then. It doesn't really matter. The only thing I was going to change is how the drop-offs work anyway, so... Have a look here. Just shut the fuck up, bro. Shut the fuck up. Okay, so the weapon, maybe we have fixed it. Maybe the weapon range is the same now. Yeah, it looks like it's the same. But so the fall off distance being 150. So they do go as far, but the problem being is once it scales to is there a percent of how much it falls off? Oh, it's here. Oh yeah, here we go. So this falls off is this fall off worse or is it better than this is the question. Is this going to be, I feel like this is better, but somehow I don't know. You'd think this would be less drop off, right? But I don't think that's the case from memory. I remember we changed this and we had to put this up because it was scuffed. So if we only have 60 armor, how is it we 4-shot people with the heavy pistol? Isn't 4 times 39 154 or some shit like that? Am I calculating this wrong? Clear 39 times 4 equals 156. Oh, maybe the bleed? It's because you'd always ooze after one of those shots and you'd take a tick. So that's probably why at 4 shots. Yeah, that's probably what it is. After 4 shots, you would more than likely have at least 1 bleed or, you know, something like that. So maybe that's what it is. Although I don't know if that is it 4 shots or 5 shots. I always thought we got 4-tapped or 4-tap people. Whereas what's 34 times 5 equals? Yeah, so it would be 5 bullets for always for the other one. Did the bleeds get yeeted? No, they happen occasionally. They're pretty weak though. They're definitely weak, but it's only 4 hit points you need. You only need to get hit 4 times. So either way, this being 5 shots, this being 4 shots. When you look at the fire rate, where is the rate of fire? Fire rate, mate. Do you guys see fire rate in here? Fire rate? Rate of fire or some shit? Time between shots. Okay, this is the okay, that's a fucking great. Yeah, so I don't know if this actually is also tied to the animation itself as well, because I'm not sure if this actually changes anything. That's also one thing I'm confused about. Yeah, I don't know. I need to get this on something and test it. It's fucking annoying. I guess I could use it on AI. I guess we could just spawn AI or some shit. Fuck, why wouldn't Judd be able to connect? I wonder why Judd can't connect though. I don't have any firewalls or anything on. Yeah, it's probably the router shit. That's fucking annoying. I couldn't be bothered. I couldn't be bothered setting that up. What about a test server that we can pull it to? Oh, actually, do one of you guys have a server? You dev potatoes? The problem being we're still gonna have to download everything. I don't think anyone will be able to do crunchy. I'd say it's my my ports.
Hello, son. Yep, I needed to go to
Hello,
the doctor.
son. I see you finally remembered you have a mother on this green earth.
And if I spawn AI, I guess I could just write a script that will spawn AI for us. I'm just wondering how the damage is calculated. Is it calculated from the client shooting or the client receiving damage? Either way, if I'm shooting an AI, it should be the same system, right? It wouldn't matter, but... We have one. Can you test the pistols on there or? The gun test script. Yeah, I don't know where the fuck it is, potato boy. Yo, why is it when I go on my own server, I see this reflection? You see that shit? The fuck is that? You see on the road how I've got that reflection? Why do I see this on my server but not... What the fuck? I never see that on the public server. That's fucking weird. Look at the reflection in the road. I've never noticed that before. But this doesn't happen live, I don't think. What the fuck? What have I done? Alex, send it to you. Hell yeah, dude. Alright. This will save us. Fuck off, Winra. I hate you. Okay, so, alright. Oh, shit. Alright, let me just, add these to the thingamabob. Alright. I mean, this really shouldn't take long. It's only one thing I want to change. Well, I don't even know if I'm going to change it. I just need to be able to visualize or whatever, see what's happening. So, start image events, start MP gun tests. Oh yeah, daddy. Put it in my bot. Shut up, chat. You're all noobs. You know what you guys remind me of? Fucking noobs, dude. Sent the commands as well. Thanks, baby. Wait, what? How does this actually trigger? Like, I'm confused how this is gonna work. I'm interested to see. Is it based off the gun I'm using or so how does it, so it's based off the gun I have in my hand? Okay, then that makes sense. All right, easy peasy. Easy peasy, lemon McSqueezy. Is it aimbot, dude? Do I get aimbot? Yo, I think I have extra video effects happening, like through something. It's tripping me the fuck out. All right, 1 second, dudes. Let's get you in here, baby girls. You know what? We'll just go with it. Listen, I might be Mr. Chang, but it's Cyberpunk 2077 Mr. Chang. I don't know why my model didn't save, but sure. Looks fucking sick, dude. Oh my god, dude. Like I'm like the Invisible Man. I can just change whenever I want, dude. No, it's the it's the one that he uses, but obviously I think I'm on a texture that doesn't exist. Alright. So let's spawn these guns and see what this script does. We'll have to go to... Wait, what? What fucking thing am I on? Oh, that's in NoPixel. Here we go. Shit list. Pistol. 9. Okay, that's not what it's called. Okay, and of course I did that one backwards because I'm a fucking idiot, dude. Nice one. Bow, 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 bow. I don't have a crosshair. What the fuck? Where's my crosshair at? What files am I on right now? Wait, what the fuck? I have no ammo, boys. Fuck. Fuck. Fingers. Fuck my fingers, bro. I don't think the crosshair affects the ammo count, surely. Or vice versa. Yeah, why don't I have a crosshair? What the fuck is this? What are these files? I think my character's not saving properly or some shit, or it's off by default. Yeah, no, I think it's just like, because when I log in, there's database errors. Because it's like half set up for the other shit, the other server. Alright, anyways. Let's see what this does, dude. Wait, what the fuck? It just stays there? What just happened? And that was meant to tell me something? Disable MP density, okay. Wait, why can't I see that? I don't have... Oh. Stop. MP density. Dude, I got no hope of hitting it at this range. So this is where crosshairs become such a valuable tool. Okay, so this is not meant to happen, I guess. It looks like it's the range right there in the shadows. That's fine. I just want to get the idea of the range for now anyway, so that's all good for a second. I mean, it's I just, you know, it's gonna be the same shit, I think, but yeah, no, it's gonna be the same range by the look of it. So let's try that again just to make sure. Yeah, it's exactly the same range that they're shooting to. It's just knowing the damage is what we need to know now. Toggle X hair. Is that what it is? I don't think that's what it is. I think my server's scuffed, in all honesty. 9mm should have higher damage fall off. Bro, let me tell you something about how balance works in a server versus the real world, okay? That's not how it's gonna work. Okay? Ever. Ever. You're banned for even saying that. Is it body armor or just armor? Oh yeah. I need it on just in case the AI turns against me. What did Alex say? The automatic mode displays the damage as well at the end. Ah, okay. I mean, okay. Oh, you automatic as in it shoots for you. I thought it would go in automatic. Wait, is it gonna stop, bro? Jesus Christ! I felt like I was, you know, doing some pretty sick fucking roleplay right there, dude. Yeah, console doesn't show shit still. Let me just look. What file is this playing from? Is it through damage events? Oh, it's gone through server as well, though. Okay, here we go. This works. Here. So at 110 units is the drop off essentially. I think they were both working actually. I was just printing here instead of in game. So let's go for the heavy pistol. It's hitting for 40 damage, so it must round up. That's why I had 4 shots. So 39 damage doesn't actually come into effect. All right, let's just screenshot this. Actually, can I copy paste off this? I think it's gonna not work right because it's shit. Yeah. Let me just capture this and we'll keep this as a little little penis. There are files. Okay, well I'm gonna put it on the other window anyway, just so I can look at it separately. All right. Well, let's do the same, and then we can do the mathematics behind things, mate. Because I think the drop off is gonna be scuffed. So. Y'all like my aim, bro? That guy's a fucking noob. That guy's a fucking noob. A spin bot. See that shit? If I can walk around headshotting people. Uh-oh. I'm scuffed. I can't look up anymore. There we go. I fixed it. Alright. This is the latest? Okay, let's see what happens here. Alright, so... Well, obviously, this is the biggest factor here. The first like 40 units alone, it is doing less damage on every point of impact there until 60 units, which is here, where it catches up to the other one. Yo, can these fucking errors fuck off out of my shit, bro? Alright, you said there's files. I sort of don't want to look through. We'll just do it on an image so we can just look at it easy. It's all good. So we'll do this. Then this. Then, okay, what the fuck are you doing, bro? Doesn't it stick there, bro? There we go. So, well, if I had a, wait, what the fuck? I clicked the wrong thing, boys. That's why it was weird. So, this is the PD pistol. At 110 units, it's hitting for 13. So the damage isn't actually, you know, that far off in terms of like this distance. Like this is where we're all hitting like fucking peanuts. But it might not seem like much, but the reality is, three hit points at this point is like 25% less damage, right? Which is actually pretty insane. Around here, it's not quite as crazy, but this here is where, you know, this is what you would call close quarters, and this is where you start go from building to building, so it starts to get a lot rougher. But you look at this, like 50 units, 29 to 37 difference is pretty crazy. Then 27 to 33, it starts to crawl back a lot. But to you guys, you're probably thinking, yo, you know, six damage isn't all that much, but really it's 20% damage all the way down here. This gun is pulling 20% extra damage on almost every shot it's doing. In fact, it is. Every single shot is 20% more damage, right? Right, it is. It is actually 20% more damage, and in some places like here, it's actually more than 20%. Which is the wild part of life. And it's very hard to balance guns, especially when they shoot at different fire rates, to, you know, get the right damage pulls. So what's this going to be? In 4 shots, we're going to do 64, 128. Yeah, so it's 100% a 5 shot in the first 40 units. So this would be relatively close. So I'd imagine 40 units being from here to about probably the light post. So probably around here somewhere. This is where the damage doesn't really drop off. But anywhere after that is where the drop off really you know, starts to have a play. And what's the damage per second? Well, we'd have to do the mathies for that, mate. So if this is doing so 4 shots, this is going to kill somebody in 2 seconds at that range. If you land every shots, by the way, every shot. But calc. So for the first 40, clear 0.37 times 5 equals. That's actually quicker. If that, I don't know if this works though. So from my understanding, it's what's in the gun config, which is what the catch is. Because I remember we did this on stream before, and I think we've changed these. I don't think it was 12 months ago though. Maybe we changed the damage. Maybe this used to be 32 or something like that. And we actually upped the damage after the... Yeah, 4 months ago. So that's probably what it was. This is where we would have changed it. And this was 12 months ago. Yeah. So this would have been changed 4 months ago from 32. So that would have been an extra bullet, I believe, right? What's 32? 32 times 5 equals... Right on 160. So maybe it wasn't then. Maybe it was 30 or 29. What's the... I think the default for this was 32, right? Does anybody know the default 9mm damage in GTA? I'm actually going to test these and check it out, because I've got a feeling this doesn't actually affect it. So or it might, but it might be yeah, maybe it was the damage we changed. It must have been. But PD pistol drops from 34 to 32 in the first shot. No, it's not the first shot. It's the distance that makes it change, Potato Man. So when you look at this, it's based on the distance what is causing the weapon to drop, not the amount you're shooting. You don't understand. So obviously at this range, the pistol becomes like fucking absolute pooper in comparison. I'd say most gunfights, especially at heists and shit, are probably around this range. Probably the 50 to 70 units is what I'd say the majority of shots are in. So when it comes to 30 damage versus 24 damage, so unless you're point blank on somebody, you would consider, you know, I mean, the heavy pistol is obviously superior at range, anywhere from the first initial step off. So is 1 unit like a meter, kind of, but not really. It's probably I think it's meant to be something like that, but yeah. Why is the PD losing pistol at such a low range? Because that's the damage it's coded to do is 32. Wait, what? Why is it doing 32 damage? This is why it's scuffed. It's doing 32, not 34 like the config says. I don't think the config's working then. No, it has to be. What the fuck? Wait, what? Why is it doing 32? Isn't it 34 in the config? I swear it is. It's 34. Why is this not doing anything? The heavy config is wrong. No, I think it's right. It's just rounding to 40 or some shit. Because the drop-offs are definitely working, right? Because if you look here, the maximum range is like it's definitely pulling from a config somewhere. So the fall off range is 150, but it says the weapon range is 220, but I don't know how this would scale in game. But they're both shooting exactly the same distance, which would mean that this has to be working because it's not the default GTA distance. There's no way in GTA we can shoot from here to that next thing, right? Like in GTA, the bullets go to like this or some shit like that. 9mm default GTA is 25 damage. It's the class 2. It's the Mark II, so I think it was like 30 damage or 29 or something. So the units of distance must be calculated differently, or this is just scuffed in general. You know, let's just fucking change it and see what happens. Let's go and make this damage like fucking 69 for the memes. And then we're going to change the range on this to 2 and 3. So we'll get an idea if both of them work, and it will be a little different. I don't think I can restart this without it crashing though. What is it? MP gun meta. Let's see if it works. Restart. MP gun. Oops. Okay, yeah, thought that would happen. Bro, just fucking error, bitch. Bitch. So the one thing I remember being really fucking scuffed with this was the way the range was dropping off based off unless I'm looking at the wrong config. I don't think I am though. I don't think I am. I just feel like it's similar to what it should be, but it's not like 100% accurate. You know what? I'm gonna restart the server just to be sure. Oh shit, I gotta connect to my... Dude, don't hack my IP. Don't hacking my IPs. Do you think other server owners watch your stream like now and copy the exact numbers for guns and stuff? Dude. Yo, Beer, thanks for the 2 months. Zaddy, thanks for the 4. Beer, $5. I think Chris and I should bring the Win twins back and take over the PD like you did on CG. Dude, I have no fucking idea what you're talking about. Green, thanks for the 22 months. Swigsy, thanks for the 5. Senex, thanks for the 6. Wisely, thanks for the 4. Appreciate it, dudes. All right. Please, hopefully my guns have saved. Oh, they did. I don't know why my outfit's not saving, dude. It's fucking tripping me out. I wonder if we have the... I don't think we do the fucking robot guy. I want to be robot man. You got to go to a clothing store for it to save? Oh yeah, that's true. That's probably it. Let's do that real quick because I'm fucking sick of changing back to Francis. You got photographic memory? I got a small dick. So yeah, I wonder if there's some shit with the configs where it's like rounding up the damage or some shit. Like it has to be even or some weird shit. I don't fucking know. What's up, bro?
That is messed up. Hey!
Bitch. I'm a gangster cop. Bitch. Imagine getting headbutted with this hat on, dude. Fuck, that would hurt. Imagine the beak of this hat fucking doing that to your nose. Could someone Google pistol Mark II damage on Google? So there's got to be like a thing you can look at. Randomly dropping the 9mm damage by 2 is weird. What are you talking about, though? What do you mean randomly? What are you even talking about? I don't think you understand how this is even working. It's weapon range drop-off. So the further you shoot a gun, the less pace the bullet is doing damage at, okay? It's 26, so it used to be... I don't think we had it on 26. Oh, it's a 32. Yeah, okay. Okay, that makes sense. So, That's why the, you know, maybe right now it is actually similar to the heavy pistol in close quarters then. It would be. But the problem being at range, it starts to turn into this little fucking, piece of poo-poo. Because, like, you don't have the, well, it doesn't matter now. We've all got crosshairs, so. It might actually be a good gun. But I need to test this the way the drop-off's working and shit anyway, so. Weapon damage for pistol Mark II is 38? It can't be, dude. We had to have had it at like 32 before this. Let me have a look here, and I think we look at like view line history. Okay, never mind. It's probably because I'm on a new computer and shit, so whatever. Alright, so let's check out what happens here. Yo, can you guys fucking telling me how the weapon rate damage drop off is weird? Because you got no fucking idea what you're talking about, dude. Go make a fucking Reddit post and dribble on your keyboard, bitch. Alright, I probably need to change the config to nerf the amount of shots we're doing. That's interesting to see though. So, let's see if this even changed anything. Wait, it missed the first shot, bro? Yeah, I don't think anything changed here, right? What did we change in this again? Wasn't it, what did we change here? Weapon range. Wait, did we not change? No, we changed that too, right? So this must be calling from a different fucking config or some shit. Am I editing the right fucking files? Hold up. Hold up a second, boy. What folder is this? Reveal file in Explorer? Why doesn't it say open? Hold up a second, boys. You know, this is definitely the right shit. What the fuck is going on then? Where is it? You know, it's the same shit, isn't it? What the fuck? I edited them both. I just wonder if when I save this file, it's because I got two of the same files open or some shit. That's probably what it is. I'm a dumb fuck. Yeah, I think I'm just fucking stupid. I think it's because I had two of the same file open. Nope, it didn't change. What the fuck is happening? What the fuck is going on now? Can you explain to me why there's weapon drop off? I mean, which part of that do you need explained? It's definitely the right guns. Unless we aren't using this weapon anymore. And we maybe got... Is there a Mark II heavy pistol? Let's see where else this is. It might be in a different file as well. What does damage fall off modifier does though? Exactly what it says. It's the modifier of how much weapon damage falls off. Yeah, I don't understand what the fuck's happening here. This is what happened with the This is what happened with the fucking PD rifle. But these seem like they're working, but based off something else. The test dummy can't be the issue? Nah, I doubt it. Though what we can do is we can try and find weapon pistol and see if it is based off this somehow. Or we've renamed it somewhere and you know. Oh, it's right here, okay. Yeah, no, so this is 26, the normal pistol, and I don't think we use this one, surely. There's no fucking way this is it. Because it's starting on 32. Right? Yeah, no, something's fucking weird here, man. What the fuck? I'm so fucking mind-fucked right now, chat. I'm actually mind-fucked. I am actually mind-fucked. Because this is nothing is changing. I'm just gonna quickly restart it again and just save this like so. No, these are two different files, so it shouldn't have been that. That definitely shouldn't have been the error. I'm just wondering if I have to clear the cache or some shit. Search for 32 weapon value, bro. Please. Please. Please, bro. It must be using the default... It must be using the default shooting. Weapon damage. I think these have reset, dude. I think they might have. What happened to the assault rifles might have happened to the pistols. So, what I'm gonna do actually is, what we're gonna do is to test this scientifically. We're gonna go to our trusty old favorite file, the car and player HUD, and randomly insert this in here somewhere. Print. Yeah. Oh, you can do this, right? Okay, my fucking keyboard is fucking stupid. I don't know why the fuck it does that. Why the fuck does it do this? The piece of dog shit. Why the fuck doesn't it just do it instead of being a dumb fuck? I gotta, maybe the hash has changed or something with 5M and it's reverted to the old shit. That's a VS Code option. Nice, dude. That's fucking stupid. It's definitely not the keyboard. This is a completely new keyboard. It didn't used to do it on my old keyboard though. Maybe it is this dog shit though. All right. I got a new keyboard and it's so easy to, oh my god, dude, actually, holy fuck. Yo, check out this, boys. This is all skin, I think. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm gonna have to get my torch onto this for the sake of scientific purposes. This is what happens to keyboards, guys, like if you don't clean them. You see all that shit, right? And you can tell it's skin because this is all around WASD. Like, look at all that shit. That is skin. That is skin falling off the human body. Because over here, this is like clean. You can tell I'm a gamer, boys. Look at that. That's how much I game. There's almost an entire finger in my fucking keyboard, dude. You guys say what the fuck, but I guarantee you take those keys off right now, it's gonna be filled with the crusts, mate. But the rest of it's just like, you know, a bit of dust and shit in there. That's fucking. Let me just make sure you can really see my fingers. We're gonna have to investigate this with science. You see the fucking, you see it, guys? Man, this torch is bright as fuck. Dude, that's fucking disgusting. Good. Well, you guys think this is bad, but if there's ever an apocalypse or some shit like that, I'm gonna eat the protein out of my keyboard and live for an extra day while you guys are just dead for being dumb fucks. So I don't know what the fuck you guys are on about. Yo, can you explain why I can't see what I'm typing? Dude. Well, let's see what these are. They were the same, right? 7714 03. So that's not the issue. $676, bruh. Shit, I wonder if they like... Okay, listen. I'm gonna drop these fucking things on the ground and we gotta get a new one, alright? What the fuck did I just try and spawn? There's meant to be a minus there, there's meant to be a minus there. Alright. I don't remember if I restarted the server fully. No, I think I did, man. I think I did. Let's just search this real quick so I can change this shit. I'm gonna change range to like 150. What is this? MP gun test Reese. Oh, the overlay, whatever, it's good. I accidentally just showed my dick on cam anyway, so. I accidentally just showed my asshole on cam while I was taking a dump, so that's lucky. Alright. Dude. Bitch. Noob. Pussy thing. Okay, that's a bit better. I don't have to fucking have an aneurysm, boys. So the first one is not doing damage still. So I don't know. I think that's just fucking like it's spawning in or some weird shit. But obviously, this is not fucking changing anything. So there must be a fucking file somewhere where this fucking damage is modified. How is this popsicle? How is this even a popsicle? Do you think I need to delete the cache, dude? Do you think it's the cake? There's no way it's the cake files, mate. There's no way it's the caking file, bro. Because this edited fine and it worked. You think it's cake all along? I can't believe it's cake. Maybe get one of the real devs to do this? Bitch, I made all this. Suck my cock. The velocity of cake is pretty thick. True. Yeah, it is the PD pistol. It's a 9mm pistol. I mean, I literally just fucking got the hash keys out and shit. Would 5M change this? Like, maybe? Let me see if this file's even fucking running. It has to be running because... You know what? Let's stop. Stop MP gun metas and see what happens. Is it the gun meta? What the fuck is the file name? No, that's not it. It's this thing. Stop NP gun meta DLC. Okay. Stop MP gun meta DLC. Fuck you. Okay. Let's get that gun out that I don't have right now because I'm a dumb fuck. Heavy pistol. Give it another shot. I got a feeling it's somehow... Dude, it doesn't make sense though. Like, the default version is 32, right? That's what you guys said, so it has to be using the default version. It has to be using the default version, dude. There's no other logical explanation. Yeah. Yeah, it has to be using the default version. Can you guys check online and see how much damage the default heavy pistol does? I ran out of ammo. Yeah, so it's using the default version right now. This gun meta is not fucking working. That's what this is. So no wonder all the guns went fucking weird. All these went weird as well. So I wonder how many other pistols are just fucking broken right now. Why would these stop fucking working though, chat? Please explain this to me. Oh no, we were using the same file twice. I am a dumb fuck. I don't know if it's 5M related. Well, it definitely exists. I'm just wondering if this is even being called anymore. So, I've got a feeling some motherfucker, or this is set up wrong maybe? Wait, is this being ran? No, I just stopped it, right? Gun meta, DLC.meta, description bitch. I don't know if there's meant to be other shit here, to be honest with you. Or it's getting overridden elsewhere, which I don't think was the case, right? There wasn't two of these. No. Nope. Well, it's not code, it's actually configs, dumb fuck. This is the sort of stuff you could do if you had 3 IQ, but you can't. So don't shit talk me, little bitch. Don't fucking be toxic, bro. Don't be toxic, you dumb little fuck. Memphis, thanks for the 10 months. Trey, thanks for the 36. Appreciate it, dudes. Little bitch. Little bitch. Yeah, so this metafile is not working, I'm guessing. But somehow it still crashes the fucking game. I'm just wondering if there's a fucking error in this pile of shit that is causing this. So there's the heavy pistol. Okay, it looks okay. It looks okay. Why don't we do an XML test on it? Because it's fucking, it is actually fucking pretty potato in here. What other guns are in here, dude? Machine pistol. Okay. Okay, bro. Okay. Yeah, I don't think any of these guns are working how they should, chat. Mini SMG. Okay. No wonder all the fucking shitty SMGs don't do anything. Surely there'd be an error. What the fuck is the Goosenberg? Isn't that the fucking 4.5? Yeah, there's so many fucking guns in this piece of shit. Yeah, we use the Mark II, but this is what's fucked though. Yeah, exactly, critical. So I think they've defaulted. That's what the catch is. It's using default pistol ranges at the moment. That's why everything's so weird. The default Mark II pistol damage is 32 in the game metas. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But this DLC meta is not loading properly or some shit. But I don't see an issue with it because it used to work. But I'm guessing it's all just fucking died. But I don't know if there's more to it now. Because you used to be able to just dump in a weapon file like this and it was all good. But something be busted. Like, I didn't even know why the fuck this shit's here. Like, why the fuck is this even... What the fuck is this doing here? Question mark? Wait, what the fuck? Why is that there? Isn't the... Okay, dude. I think somebody done fucked us in the ass with some random shit. This probably is not meant to be here, I imagine, chat. I think there was just random left code at the top of this fucking file. Nice, dude. DLC penis. Okay, that seems legitimate, though. Okay, so the weapon blob was meant to be there, I think. Just not the rest of this shit. Although, is it? Like, the infos and shit here? Where is this going to have an end slot for this? Navigate order. What the fuck? Is this shit? Okay, so that's where it stops. So that's slot best order. Is that? Yeah, I got a feeling like this shit here is just fucking random poop. That shouldn't be here, but I think you need the item. Let's see what ends up here. Infos and item ends, but then there's all these random fucking infos and items here too. They're just like I open and close. Like, what the fuck is this shit, bro? This opens then closes, but it has an empty thing there. And this would open and close the top one, but then we've got an extra infos, I think. And this is a... Dude, this config is fucked 100%. That's what it is. Okay, I think we just need to re-look at how these configs are done and fix that. Yeah, I think we need a clean file. So a lot of the SMGs are probably scuffed right now as well. So when we fixed, quote unquote, the Mark II assault rifle, we should have fixed every other fucking file on the planet, but that didn't happen. So all weapons, like pistols and shit, are not really working as intended. Fuck, that's annoying, dude. So let's have a look here and see what this shit is. See, this is neat and tidy. It makes sense. So, all we need to do is literally copy paste this, but zoink out the slot shit here, I think. because I think this sort of shit is just like default Denny garbage that needs to be there. So let's try it. Let's just try it first because I feel like we can fix this easy. Let's see what order this is in. So we've got this much shit. I mean, it's copied off a similar config, so I just want to see if this is gonna fix it real quick. Restart. This is gonna crash us, but maybe it was crashing us because it was fucking broken. Start MP done meta DLC. Oh, it didn't crash, boy. So maybe it was the reason it was crashing is because it was fucking broken. So let's see what happens here. So this file is not working at all, but it's on the server still, which is a bit strange. But it's still doing the 40 damage, so I don't think it fixed. I think we're gonna have to just start a new fucking file. There's got to be other errors inside this that is fucking shit up, I think. Man, having 170 FPS is crazy, dude. Yeah, that's shooting way fast too. It's definitely fucking scuffed. I just wonder when did the assault rifle break? It was like 2 months ago or some shit, right? Fuck. This is annoying. This is annoying, bruh. Just steal one from a year ago. Yeah, I mean, there's got to be a config out there we can just zoink, in all honesty. I just wonder if the other fucking meta file is broken too. I mean, this one's got to work for sure, right? This is the one where it is working, I think. Yeah, so this is the assault rifle, I think. There's so much fucking shit in here. I think this is what we're basing the current shit off. Get one from SVRP. They might actually have the working one. That's the funny thing. It's not even a meme. They might actually have a working file. So I guess I could just, so what guns do we use? That's probably the better way to start. So we want the heavy pistol. Let's just make a file, new file, just for now. We'll make sure we get the guns we want to keep, and know that are functional at least. So I'd say there's a fucking let's just how do you select all in the dude? Is there not a fucking select all thing in this? Can you please send me the gun DLC meta file? Sure. It's the same on dev branch. Yeah, a weapon per file I think is probably what will be easiest, which is what I was going to sort of do here. Control A is everything. All right. Let me just I mean, I can send you the plain text. I don't know how you want me to send you I can just send you the file actually. What am I saying? So This is a default one then. Let's have a look at this. Weapons meta is irrelevant. Resource relevant, irrelevant. That don't need. That don't need. All right, so this is the default Mark II. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm just going to go through and make them singular, but I should be able to just copy paste that into here if it's the same. Or I mean, I can just do the base numbers. It'll be easy to do that. So I'd say there was some fixes that 5M did that actually didn't allow Papega, and now they just broke. So we're gonna have to fix it. I mean, it looks like it's got all the information there, so maybe it's not. Maybe we just fucking done goofed. Like, by the look of that, that's fucking disgusting, dude. Yeah, it looks the same in terms of like the amount of data that's there. So I'd say there's just an error in the... Even this is like scuffed. What the fuck? What are the... I'd say it's the top part. What it is, dude. It has to be the top part. We can get from there. Because it looks like I've literally copy pasted it by the look of it. It does this, right? All the way to here. But then there's one at the top of this file. Say the top part, this shit here is now relevant. Just see if we can make the base part work. Mark II to work. Oh, did I crash? Weird that I'm not crashing. Strange as that sounds. Setting clean metas for week. Yeah, dude, I guess so. I guess we're gonna have to fucking fix this shit. Even though all these guns are irrelevant in 3.0. I just didn't realize how scuffed it all was. Shit. So that means for the last 2 months, the best pistol actually has, I think, been the 9mm pistol. But nobody's been using it. Because they don't know that. That's fucked up, dude. Y'all have been fucking doing the wrong meta, boys. So it might have been, remember when AP pistols got scuffed and we edited some... Wait, sorry, what was this? All right, let's just set them up separately anyway. I'm just wondering how we're going to call all of these into one thing is the point. I don't know if we can have multiple weapon files set like this and it would be okay. For instance, something like this. But I don't see why not. Yeah, so the damage is actually default damage, which is better than what it was, I think. No. I think it shoots faster now than what it used to, or some shit like that. I can't remember what we did to nerf the fuck out of it, but I think we increased the damage and nerfed the fire rate or something like that, but it's just not it's not working. Did Benji fuck up Randy? Dude, the 9mm and the heavy pistol aren't that crazy. Like they're both very similar right now still. The heavy pistol is probably still better overall as a preference gun, but close range, point blank, the heavy pistol is a bit behind if you hit every shot. That's what it looks like anyway, but we have to test this shit. Resources. Gun metas. Rename. There's a resource reader. Reader reads mate to do this. Then as we add more, I think we just need a dick and we're good, right? I just don't know if the data file being like this multiple times is going to be good is all. But anyway, let's copy paste arenas. Oh shit, yeah, no, that's fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna zoink this pistol Mark II. Oh my fucking god, my fingers are fat. I'm gonna zoink this weapon out and just dump it. But man, there's a lot of fucking shit in these files, like so much dog shit. It might be easier to just like do it based off the other file and do our damage ourselves. In fact, instead of copy pasting it, that way we know it's 100%. So this was 34, right? We put it up to 34 now. Per shot. What was it? Time between shots. Yeah. So this is 3.7. 0.37, right? I don't think the other one was this, or was it? I can't remember. Oh, it's exactly the same. Oh, no, you know what it is? You know what fucked it, guys? It's gotta be this. This shit right here. This damage fall off modifier. So they're gonna have the same modifier. Wait, I didn't even know. Yeah, they're gonna have the same modifier right now. Whereas the PD pistol had this AIDS one. Or some shit like that. I can't remember. Because I remember shooting on the fucking on the airfield and we were testing this, and it ended up taking like 16 shots at max range, so we had to change something here. From memory. I can't remember, but it was poop. So we're gonna change the damage, and let's have a look what the range default is right here. Weapon range is 120. What do we have it here? Weapon range is 220, and then we have the fall offs at 150. So 220, 150. But considering what it's like right now, do we actually want it to go that high? Fucking god. I feel like the range right now actually isn't too bad. $220 seems disgusting. I think rifles are like 300 or something like that. So 220 is like not really that crazy for max range. You've got to consider that this is the entire range the weapon can shoot, but it's doing its minimal damage at 150. So it's sort of irrelevant, really. But in saying that, I think still keeping it in the ones is probably where it needs to be. Let me think about this. Yeah, I think the ones is gonna be good. We had the 150, right? Is that what it was? It was 220 there, but it was 150 to start with or some shit. So what we'll do is 150, no, 180 max, and then 125 or something max drop off. It was 120. Okay, maybe we'll go 150 then. So it's got a bit more range, but not enough that it's Man, going through all these fucking metas is gonna be fucking annoying. Let's just see if this works though. Let's just restart this. And hopefully it doesn't crash. Alright, I don't know why that's not crashing. It should. Because I think every time that resets, it should crash. Yeah, so it's still not detecting this shit, dude. I wonder if I need to rejoin entirely. Like, why the fuck is this not being loaded, dude? If that's like trying to load up the, maybe the meta file's not the problem. Oh, actually, never mind. I think if you change the resource meta, you need to restart the server from memory. Pretty sure that's probably the issue there. Why doesn't it work? You could type refresh. Oh shit. Well, there you go. What the fuck? Yeah, it's not just a... See? It isn't just fucking whatever this fucking shit is. I just done it there and this as well. It's got to be a fucking Windows setting. Did the server restart properly, by the way? Because I did push those changes. I know Nix is always like, no, don't do it, but Nix is a pussy. Yo, Monk, thanks for the 5 months. DJ, thanks for the gifted sub. Trenton, thanks for the tier 1. TC, thanks for the 26. Bong, thanks for the 12 months. Appreciate it. Now, let's see if it fucking works this time, boys. Okay. What the fuck is wrong with my server? You know what? It's just staying like this, boys.
I'm Francis, and I'm a camouflage. Wow, look at me. Now when the bosses run me over, they won't see me, bro.
Alright, now it's working. There you go. So there must be a way. There must be something wrong with that file for sure, dude. It's down to 11 points at the end. That's gonna be fucking like 14 shots at max range. But I think that's not so bad. Considering, you know. So good. Zero, I think the first thing's bugged. I don't know what's happening here, but it doesn't matter. I think it's just calculating them one off. So this is probably 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, like that sort of thing. I don't know what I did. I fucked something, but it's all good. Also, isn't there a I don't know how accurate this is actually now I think about it. Isn't there a thing with armor penetration with weapons? How far is a unit in the game? Bro, how the fuck do you expect me to measure that for you? Do you want me to get a fucking ruler and put it on my screen or some shit? Like, what the fuck are you even asking, Texas? You want me to get my fucking ruler out, bro? This motherfucker. Alright, so, alright, I guess we're gonna go through and do every single fucking meta file, chat. So, this is gonna be a pain in the ass, but not really. Kind of a little bit. So, you know what? Maybe I should just cut this blob out and throw it in there. I got a feeling you need this now, to be honest. Every weapon file. That's what it is. I'd say you need this shit, whereas you didn't need it before. That's causing an error. So I guess we just get OpenIV. Just fucking copy paste all these files. See, guys, if you ever go into game files, don't be a degenerate and cheat. You can just do shit like this and make cool shit instead of being a fuckboy. All right. So what was it? Heavy pistol. Boom. Okay. Is this it? Is this it, boys? That mate, we got it. See, no fuckboy required. Copy. All right. What else? What guns are coming out right now that we should change, chat? Like what pistols and shit are... Oh, there's the pistol. I think it's just SMGs in this from memory. Machine pistol. fuck did I just search for? Wait, is it in the fucking heavy pistol meta? Sorry, what? Wait, why is it searching this? Hello? Am I only searching that? I don't know what I just did. How is this not coming up? What about search machine pistol? Oh, it's not searching the shit inside it. It's searching the other stuff. Okay. All right, what else is here? Mini SMG. Bam, 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 bam. Bam, 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 bam. Boink. Mine now. I made this. Fuck. What is this? Let's just fucking. Compact rifle. Okay, okay, daddy. Okay. Yeah, it's crazy. This like the only guns that work right now normally is the AK-47 and the police carbine. They're the only two guns that are actually working. So the only gun that worked for those 2 months correctly was literally the AK-47, or 3 months, whatever it was. And I don't know how nobody didn't notice this shit. I really don't get it, dude. I don't understand. For pistols, I guess it makes sense because the damage was somewhat similar. But man, that sort of fucking blows my mind, dude. That sort of blows my mind. Blows my fucking mind, mate, alright? One thing I want to check, though, on this heavy pistol is between... Oh, never mind. Yeah, no, we were correct. Calc, never mind. The 9mm is dog shit. 0.42 times 4 equals. Oh yeah, no, okay. This was still like 7 to 10% faster DPS wise. Never mind, boys. Never mind, boys. Heavy pistol was overpowered still, bro. I knew it, bro. I was right, bro. Man. Fuck. Where were we? Go. No, don't do that. Let me... No. Okay. Fuck you. I'm too much of a boomer to understand that shit. Alright. Alright, dude. It's not the Rona. Yeah, so this is probably why shotguns were fucking broken as well. Just saying, boys. Just saying. Just fucking saying, boy. Now we know why shotguns don't fucking work, boy. Maybe. Actually, I don't know if shotguns are in this file. I might be lying to you, chat. Dude, how many fucking guns do I have to go through here? Do any of these guns even get used? Hey, at least people are gonna have something to shoot cops with for the next, you know, little while. This is now considered an update, boys. You're getting an update of guns. Well done, criminals. You got an update, guys. Well done. A new update. Oh, here it is. The auto shot. Wait, the auto shotgun? Question mark. Oh shit, dude. Maybe the shotguns aren't in here. Special carbine. Ooh, bring it back. Bring it back, boy. So I actually don't know how many of these guns are really going to change all that much, to be honest with you, chat. But at least they should be working how we initially intended them to. So, I mean, really, which of these guns do we care about? The mini SMG, the machine pistol, compact rifle? Fuck this. I don't think it's being used. The combat PDW, I don't think that's used, is it? The bullpup rifle, like what? Fuck the auto shotgun. I'm thinking we just go with these. Because everyone's using the AK-47, right? And I don't think we should overcomplicate things. I don't know where the shotguns are, my dude. Probably in here. But I think this one works. Yeah, I think this one's working. Because it's got the taser changes, right? You know, I'm not going to touch this shit. I'm not going to touch it, dude. I don't want to break it. Things are not working how we thought they were going to work. So let's just do a few changes here instead. We need this to fix the other ones. So I think I'm just going to go with these pistols. The shotguns are fixed, but I think they're still scuffed, so we're not going to touch the shotguns, boys. Draco is going to be compact rifle, maybe? Is that what that is? Is that what the Draco is? Yeah, so we'll keep that there. But combat PDW, I don't think is used. I think we had that as police issued there for a bit. Or we're going to test it for police issue. Special carbine is, I think, craftable. But I don't think they use it because it's scuffed. So let's go with this. Let's get these ones working. So what we're going to do is drag these over here. Close this off. Then we're going to go for the compact rifle. Going to zoink it out. Actually, did we zoink it out before? I can't remember. Or did we just change the damages? I think it's going to be quicker to just zoink it and just see if, just test it. That it's working how we think it is. Although this is only 34 damage, dude. Oh, it's the compact rifle. That's fine. Okay, so fuck the other shit. Let's just go with fuck the special carbine. Let's just get the core things going, you know what I mean? Let's get the core things going because maybe we can do some actual changes here that we give a fuck about. These five. Fuck the carbine. Let's yeah, let's do it based off numbers we have so we can see what we're changing. So it's 34 damage already, but it comes down to the range and drop-offs, I think. See, yeah. This is why the fucking compact, the Draco right now is dog shit because it doesn't have the right range. That's all it is. Weapon range. Yeah, dude, look at this, man. It should be fucking killing it, but it's not. It's still not going to be as good as a AK-47, but that's the idea. You know, you wanted the tier system here, so that should bring it up to at least a rangeable gun. Heavy pistol, right? We're gonna make it similar to this in terms of range drop off, so we don't get one more powerful than the other, and then we'll test it. So 150, and then 125. So it's not going to change all that much in all honesty, but it's going to have a little bit longer high range. So like, you gotta be able to shoot like 25 meters further. I say meters. I don't know what the actual distance is, but it's going to have a little more range. But it's like the half of an assault rifle or some shit like that. So it's going to be poop really. But the fire rate is 4.2. So I might leave it there. I think I might leave the fire rate how it is. So it's still superior to the pistol. The police pistol. But we need to check the damage drop-off modifiers here because this is gonna alter it significantly. Okay, so let's go with the machine pistol. See what we're doing here. So we have it at 27 damage. Here it's 27, but the drop off here is going to be shit. So this is why SMGs right now are actual poopers. 155, 120. Okay, so let's have a look. Yeah, so they're doing half the distance really, but the drop off is still somewhat similar. So it's not that insane, but it's enough that it would affect gunfights pretty heavily. So I'm guessing it's the same with this, really. Let's have a look. Mini SMG, 30 damage, 22 damage. Oof. Oof, arenos, mate. No wonder the mini's fucking dog shit. Alright. That's a fucking oof right there, chat. And I'd say this is going to be a 220, 150 as well. So, I mean, this the mini SMG's got to get a considerable buff with this for sure. Let's just make sure this is actually going to work out. I think it's going to work. One, two, three, four, five of them. Weapon, compact, rifle, weapon, heavy pistol, weapon, machine pistol, weapon, mini SMG. I bet. And let's see if this works. I don't know if it's gonna work like that. I got a feeling that this might need to be an array or separated or something. We'll so you say refresh. Res fresh, okay. Refresh, I can't spell. Restart, MP, gun, meta, DLC. Okay. Okay, you know, it crashes, so it definitely worked. Can you use the Uzi in cars still? Yeah. Why would that be a thing? You have 2 pistol Mark IIs? Oh, I do too. What the fuck? How did that happen? Did I copy these ones instead of these? Whatever. Alright. Let's just restart everything. Oh, I like aeroplane jelly. Aeroplane jelly for me. All right. I'm too lazy to see how you meant to do multiple configs, but it might work. SMGs are so bad. Yeah, they'll be a little bit better now. They'll be a little bit better. Honestly, at close range, they should be somewhat similar, like very like point blankish range. But when you get in those mid car fucking shootouts, they're going to be a little bit better. Weezit, thanks for the 5 months. Chris, thanks for the 28 tier 2. Appreciate it. Daddy, thanks for the 6 months. Can we expect stream commentary again in the future? What do you mean by that exactly? Does running a server require a lot of storage? No, not really. Well, it depends on how in-depth your shit is, I guess. But not really. Oh, I'm the right colors now. Yeah, the first one's missing. Oh, look at it. Just doesn't hit. Okay, so it looks like it's hitting all the shots. But I don't think it fucking worked. Do we use heavy pistol or Mark II though? So I don't think it's working when I do multiple files like this. That's what the issue is. Wait, yeah, there it is there. Heavy pistol. Yeah, so I wonder if the normal pistol is working though. Wait. You know, that's the right hash. Fuck, I hate how it locks my camera. Okay, this is still working though. What the fuck? Why is the heavy pistol not working though? You think it's only loading this? Is what the issue is? So this needs to be arrayed somehow. Because of the teleport, it misses. Change weapon file to the patch one. Wait, what? The patch one? What do you even mean? Oh, weapon file info patch. Okay. All right, let's see how this goes. Oh, it didn't crash me. What the fuck? Oh, actually, you need to refresh and then do that, don't you? Refresh. That refresh? I don't know if that is doing what I think is doing. Let's just see if this works. Uh-oh. I don't have a gun. Okay, I think we broke the game. Yeah, I might have to restart. Yeah, no, it's definitely fucked. When the resources changed, it doesn't like it at all. No, it's definitely not in both files. They're all singular metas. I don't know what it is. Just I've always had issues with certain meta files when it's changing, like especially if it's model related stuff or anything that has to do with the model, that it would have issues like that. Ranged melee. All right. Let's just see if my gun comes out. Okay, so it was just the way the shit was set up. That's all good. All right, so let's try this again, baby. Oh shit, I need to get my gun out. Potato. Okay, this appears to be working somewhat correctly. 11 at max damage. Alright, let's try the heavy pistol now. Those screams though. I mean, it sounds like he was still getting shot, so. Okay, it looks like it is working. So. We're gonna have comparison data, right? Yeah. Wait, is it gonna be logged in this shit? I guess. So let's have a look here. So I think it's fucked up. Obviously, the first one will be hitting for that much damage. It's just I think it's because I teleport here and it doesn't register the AI it has spawned. So here is where it actually somewhat catches up. I mean, it's a 10%. Well, it's like 8% damage, but you don't notice that at this sort of range. It's like it'd be if you smoke a joint, you will smoke through the damage that you receive essentially. And we're only shooting about 20 units further than we would before, but the damage drop off obviously affects it greater. So, now what we want to do is work out if we want to do DPS changes in terms of how fast a weapon shoots, to Actually, I think right now the heavy pistol's better, right? That's what we worked out. Let's just double check that. The heavy pistol's better, I'm pretty sure. Let me double check this though. Actually, let's check some other guns really quick. Like the Draco and shit, and see how that goes now. What's it fucking called? Compact. What is it gonna be called? Oh my fucking god. Okay, there's an AP pistol. Let's check it. You wanna fight me, King? Is that what's up, bro? You wanna fight, bro? Trying to duplicate my ammo without having to. Damn it. There we go. Cheating. Oh yeah, baby. Check out the ammo supply, boy. You don't need ammo? Listen, I need ammo in my gun always. I'm a gangster, bitch. If you want to fight, we can. Listen, I don't hit women, all right? Yo, Cash, 56 months. Play WoW, fuck RP. I'm not even RPing, dude. I don't RP anyway when I play the game. All right, so there you go. The pistol, SMG, the fucking AP pistol is obviously a little better now. So the drop off is considerably less, but it shoots further. So we got to remember this shoots fast. That's the benefit of it. So in the time that it shoots, so let's have a look. 22 damage. Let's do some math behind this and try and get it similar. I think it needs to be above the heavy pistol in terms of like point blank DPS. So let's see what happens here. Between shots is 0.11. So if it's gonna take if it's 22 damage. Let's do some quick maths here so we can tell the dumb fucks that think it's wrong later. Divided by 22 equals, so 7, let's say it's 8 shots. 8 times 0.12 equals. Okay, no, it's already godlike. So the heavy pistol was going to take 1. What was it? 1.3 or 1.25 seconds to kill someone, whereas this will be a lot quicker if you hit every shot, that is. But that's the problem, you're not going to hit every shot. But when you get this with an extended mag, it becomes a lot more lethal, doesn't it? I mean, if that was a person right there, they're dead, right? You know, even though it's got spread, if someone was around that location, they're more than likely dead. So does this get nerfed by the limit of shots registering? Yeah, it sort of does, but I'm unsure, like I said, if the time between shots actually works. So what we could do is increase this to like 250 and then work out the math based on that. So actually works. I don't know why I did it like this. I should be shooting a wall. Yeah, no, it still shoots exactly the same. So I think that I don't know how that works exactly. I don't think we need to change time between shots. We can just work off what we've got, and then we can see how it plays out with lag and shit. So the way I see bullets registering an issue is actually when it's more like, you know, there's a lot of people in that area. That's where you most notice it, I think. Plus the power of this having an extended mag, I think it's probably at a good spot in all honesty, so. AP should just have heavy damage drop for distance. Listen, Damien, okay? I don't need you to come in here and tell me what needs, okay? I don't need it, all right? You got no idea what you're talking about. Damien, son of Damien. So that's gonna be pretty good deeps. Let's check out the Draco though. So there's the AP pistol, the mini SMG, or the Tech 9 maybe. Is this one of them? I think the Tech 9 is gonna be one of these items, and then the Draco possibly. Listen, bitch, I do what I want. And y'all better recognize, okay? The gun sounds so cool. Alright, yeah, it looks like it's working. So, hopefully, this is shooting slower than the fucking other thing, because we need to work out what the DPS of this is going to be. Although, the Tech 9 might actually be the gun because of how bullets register with what we were saying before. So, it's the machine pistol. Are you sure about that? No, the machine pistol's going to be that. Are we sure it's not the mini SMG? Let's see what damage this does. This does 30, so it's not this, right? What was the machine pistol damage? You know, this is the machine pistol. Wait, so how is the AP pistol working then? Oi, kid, what you doing? What are you doing? I don't think we did the mini SMG. AP pistol isn't deal, bro. Please, mate. Yeah, it's probably in weapons meta. Not some of these guns aren't necessarily DLC. It's just how I've named this. The name of this file is irrelevant. Literally irrelevant. So the AP pistol was working normally then, but the thing is, these weren't. But now this is working normal, right? But this is also going to be shooting rather fast. But it's not insane. But that's good. Like I think it's shooting like this is good. And this is what would you say this is the shit one. All right, mini SMG. This is the fucking, what the fuck is it called again? It's not the micro. It's not the micro. The micro, dude. I wonder what the micro does then. Like, what the fuck are all these SMGs? Dude, I have no idea what guns are even fucking sold in the server, bro. Scorpion, that's it. So that seems like it's working as intended as well. So it's pretty much similar to the AP pistol. So I'd imagine these are both in the same file somewhere. Just copy pasted. Scorpion. All right, let's see how this bitch goes though. Is this what we this is what we need to see? This might actually be a really good gun right now. Yeah, well, most of these will be similar or better than the AP now, so. That one's gonna be better than the AP for sure, dude. But it's 20 bullets. But yeah, that's gonna be better than the AP, 100%. Like these are also gonna be like, if you can control your fire, these might even be better than heavy pistols around this area. In fact, if you can control your, let's see what it shoots like. Fuck my fingers. Sub ammo. Because the recoil is actually controllable, and now that you have a crosshair, these guns might come into play a lot more, which is pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's wild. But when you get to shoot like that, though, it's pretty nutty. Like, if that was someone's face, they're gonna get fucking deleted pretty quick. Yeah, that's also the thing you got to worry about. Like, some of these bullets might not register and shit like that, but when they're all spraying at you, it's a different story. You know what I mean? No, the AP is going to be similar to this. Actually, it's probably a little less. That's probably a little less, to be honest. Wonder how it shoots from the car, though? Pretty much the same. They all have the exact same recoil thing, so... Alright, so where's the Draco? That's what we need to test. What the fuck is it called in this? I can't remember the name of that shit. Compact rifle? Maybe? Oh, so this uses rifle ammo, does it? Sorry, what? Oh yeah, this recoil is fucking disgustingly good. But you can't shoot this from normal vehicles, which is okay. Oh, it's gotta be fucking nutty, dude. Once you hold it in for a while, it gets a bit rough, but... Okay, dude. If you tap fire, I'm not even changing my mouse at the moment. Like I'm barely adjusting what's happening. But if you hold down click, obviously you get the bounce. I don't know if many people tap fire, to be honest, but there's got to be opposites. Well, I mean, it's only going to be relatable to an assault rifle. We still need to test its actual damage, so. The thing is, this is meant to be like the in-between, right? It's not meant to be a full rifle. It's not meant to be a full SMG. It's like halfway in between that. And the damage here sort of, you know, indicates what it's like. It's like a heavy pistol, but automatic. Is pretty much what it is. But if you get out an assault rifle, like the actual AR, this thing, it's got to be a little different. Like this will, this should be way better. Well, not way better, but considerably better. Yeah, it's almost the exact same in terms of recoil if you tap fire. But it doesn't have the bounce up on spray, so it is definitely better in that essence. Like it's definitely easier to control. So 11 damage point blank. No, Kudas, please, bro, please. Just don't. You gotta end up making a fucking Reddit post with your fucking dribble. I don't want to see it. Don't ask the dumb questions. Oh yeah, he getting dropped. Yeah. So you can see, like, at the 150 unit range, this is still a fucking powerhouse. So the assault rifles are fucking, you know, dominant as fuck. Let's check out the PD rifle just to make sure it's working how we expected. And you know, all those days, guys, when you guys all said the 5.56 was a good weapon, I just want you guys to know that, like, all the criminals that were saying, yeah, use 5.56 for civs because I feel bad. Just like, you know, that they did stop using it, right? You know why they stopped using it? Because, you know, they wanted to be these heroes on the internet, but the reality was it was dog shit. And I think we actually buffed it since then, and it's still dog shit. I'm interested to see what it does now, though. I don't even know if it's hitting that guy. It's worse than the SMGs, dude. It's doing 8 damage at 150. It's oh, fuck it. This is why you should listen to the streamers instead of the people that you know, fucking add the shit, dude, because obviously they have an idea of what they're talking about. Oh, fuck yeah. Bro, I use the 5.56 in the PD pistol, like, you know, it's fucking sick, bro. I just use it once a month, though, because it's, you know, it's too good, bro. It's too good, fuck, man. It's too good, bro. So I think this is a mimic of the AR. So it should be the same. 39 damage and then, like, crazy to like 20 something at 150. Yeah, it's identical. The other one had 22 at 150, right? From memory, and started on 39. So they're pretty much mirrored now. And it's got the same laser beam when you tap. Yeah, it's pretty laser beamy-ish, kinda. And if you hold it, you get the actually, this has worse recoil than the AR. I don't think I get bounce on the AR if I hold it in. It just stays steady. I mean, it gets spread, but oh no, it goes up. It goes up. They're exactly the same. It's just very easy to manage as all, so it's sort of irrelevant. Alright, so they're all working as intended then. Really? No, it's got, they've definitely got the same spread, I think. It just does, sometimes it doesn't get as much, but no, it does. It definitely, like, is somewhat similar. This has more bounce. Up, for sure. I actually have to control it a little more. Oh, what the fuck? They didn't even go on the wall. It's weird. But if I hold down, it's pretty similar. Right at the end, it gets pretty disgusting, though. Does on duty change anything? No, not anymore. It used to give a longer barrel, and that's what ended up making the range drop off better. But that's removed now, so the only thing you get is a flashlight. Oh my god, dude. Yeah, no, this gun it definitely has a different recoil. This feels like it bounces more. Maybe it's because you can shoot quicker while you tap, and it's a bit weird. We're getting the LMG. No, I'm not touching that shit. All right. So what other guns are used then? Is that it? And they all seem to be working pretty normal now. I guess we could check out like normal pistols, but like, do we care about them? Really? Do we care about the shit fucking pistols? Vintage? I mean, do we care about the vintage though? Should it be any good? I mean, we can check it just for science, see what it's like. Cover spam's removed in 3.0. We're not going to do it yet. Yeah, so the thing is, it doesn't have this extra range, but the damage actually isn't bad. Like, it's not so bad. It's really not shit at all. It's actually somewhat similar, but the problem being it has 7 bullets in the chamber, so it's dog shit for that reason. So all the pistols, I think the only reason they lag behind, like the combat, for instance, is just simply because of the lack of bullets inside the weapon. So this has like 10 or 12 from memory. Yeah, so the combat's probably the best Civ pistol that's viable, I'd imagine. Well, rifles haven't really changed. It was the oh man, this has long distance though. It's less damage, but it has similar distance to the other pistols. So the combat is actually on par with the PD pistol, probably. A little bit less in terms of damage, but overall pretty similar gun. So if you're a Civ, combat pistol's the way to go, boys. The vintage is better close range by the look of it, yeah. Not at distance though. Alright, let's check out the SNS. Let's have a look at that actually. Because it's got an extended mag now, so maybe it's not as shit as I think it is. Obviously with the 6 bullets it's dog shit, but when you get an extendo in that bitch, might actually be a solid gun. No. It's not that great. It's got a similar drop off to the vintage, but close range it's actually pretty solid. This is, I don't know why it does this, but it's definitely going to be 28 at the start. Actually, is it? Yeah, no, it should be fine. Wait, should it be fine? I wonder what causes that. Dude, as you notice, like when you shoot, it comes from the actual gun. The other one's after from the thingo. Oh yeah, now it's normal. But then this random shot comes in here at 543 units. I think it's just anomalies happening. But it's okay. But the heavy pistol's superior. Actually, let's see how fast this shoots. You know what? I don't think I can be fucking bothered. Just 1 second. Let me check what I've changed here and just make sure we've got the right shit modified so I can at least push this. You know, I ain't like all the other bitches. You know what I mean, bros? We don't need to fucking like, you know, oh, push it to dev branch. I'll leave it there for a month. I don't know if I'm too nervous, bro. I don't know if I should push it, bro. I'm a little pussy, bro. You know, that sort of shit. Little pussy bitches. Oh, I don't know if I should push it, bro. Don't know if I should push it, bro. My little vagina's sore. My little pussy. Ooh. You know that sort of shit, chat? Little pussies. Oh, my little vagina. Don't know if I want to push it to master, dude. I only tested it for like 3 hours. What if the server doesn't start and I have to roll it back for 3 seconds, bro? I'm a pussy. Fucking toxic, mate. All right, so we can get rid of some shit. 1 second, let me get you guys back into fucking action, mate. All right. Full send, of course I full send, dude. Listen, I'm not like other pussies, mate. I got a big, fat, giant dick. All right, that's a joke. I don't have a big dick. It's fucking tiny, actually. Looks like a Tic Tac with a little helmet on top. Fucking tiny. All right. Proximity mine. Ooh, dude, do they work? Can I have a proximity mine, bro? Yo, Otto coming back. He's the new proximity mine seller. I sell proxies. Come on over, bro. Uh-oh. Is it a proxy or a timer? Maybe it's...
Guys, have you ever gone into a proximity mine and exploded just to see what it feels like, bro? It feels like God. I'm too powerful. I'm too powerful.
Oh, I didn't even take it from me. I got infinite of these now.
I'm Francis, and I'm a terrorism.
We're gonna make a movie scene, boys. That's the 3.0 movie trailer release. You ready for it? Oops. What's a motorbike I can spawn, chat? I don't know how to spell them. What's one of the dirt bikes? Oh, baddie, hell yeah, dude. Let's go, boys. Time for cinematic shit.
Ouch! That fucking hurt, bro. Ouch! That hurted. Please stop that.
Wonder if proximity detects the proximity of a bomb. Oh, nice proximity mines, dude. Noobs. I'm too powerful. Okay, so those guns sort of work again, at least. I'm not gonna touch shotguns though. Shotguns still need to be just gone. I think it's just gonna be a fucky issue with ping and shit. The shotguns will always be scuffed, so. Man, Francis fat as shit. Can do a fucking mono for 140 mile an hour build-ups, dude. Fuck the police. Why did that happen as soon as I said fuck the police, chat? Police are overpowered. Man, we need to make Francis the fucking... I mean, Jesus, the motorbike getaway expert, dude. I'm surprised motorbikes aren't used more. I mean, they are landmines, but at the same time, they're so cool. Yeah, I mean for chases though, you know what I mean? Not... And I don't mean chases where you go upstairs and fucking park behind it like lol, owns you. Ah! I just mean just fucking like, you know, you can take like fucking weird ass shortcuts and trip people out. Landed it though, boys. Fuck, we would have got away right there, parked in some bushes. Easy, mate. Easy getaways. See ya, boys. We outie. Is it possible to make them not landmines? I'm sure there'd be an explosion type config thing you could change. The real question is, can we actually shoot these? Another crosshair. Yep. All right. Well, I think I fixed that shit at least. It's so crazy that it was like that for so long. I mean, the only thing you're honestly gonna notice from pistols right now is actually, did I make it so the? Actually, I think I broke the. I think the Mark II pistol. I don't know if we should put it on 32 damage. I can't remember what fire rate do we have it at. Let's do the math for this again. It's on 34, so it's gonna take 5 shots, right? 30. Let's make the math right. I want to make sure it's right. 34 times 5 equals. Yeah, so it's gonna be 5 shots to kill somebody. And it's 4 for the other weapon. So what is the speed of this though? Between shots, 3.7. Clear. 3.7. Clear. 0.37 times 5 equals 1.85. Then the heavy pistol is between shots 4.2. Yeah. 0.42 times 4 equals. Yeah, so it is a faster shooting DPS weapon. So overall, the heavy pistol, obviously if you miss more shots, no, it doesn't matter. It's irrelevant however you look at this. The only way that this would really be affected is, I think, through like smoking cocaine or some shit. Because if it was 6 shots, I think the math comes into play to be a little different. So if this was yeah, so if this ends up taking 5 shots and the other gun's 5 shots, that's where it really changes. But because civs have cocaine as well, it just makes the PD pistol weaker and weaker, really. Because each tick of cocaine you get into your anus essentially negates half a bullet. But if it's at range, it can negate up to the entire bullet in 1 tick. So we need to. I think I'm going to remove the heavy pistol from PD and just see how that plays out. I think it's going to put criminals in a much stronger position, but, well, not a much stronger, but enough that it would counteract them all using crosshairs because they're pussies on a roleplay server and sort of balance the change that's come through. Yeah, dude, I'm not even joking, chat. I think like 80% of people, 90% of people that were quote unquote you know, shooters in fights and shit were using fucking crosshairs, boys. Because I feel like I've turned into a fucking god just about. Wait, what am I looking for here? Wait, what? Why is this not in any of these shops? Hello? This is not the right ID, bro. What the fuck is this? Is there another heavy pistol in here, bro? What the fuck was that? There is. What the fuck? There's 2 heavy pistols, chat. Confusion is setting in. Alright, there we go. We're gonna delete this. So, any cop that stocks up on guns right now, the heavy pistols, banned. No, I'm good. Thanks, Sal. Just some lunch, or we could just have sandwiches, whatever. Some meat would be good. I bet. Maybe another chicken. BM, thanks for the McLaughlin, thanks for the 14 months, dude. TNT, thanks for the 4 months. Romaine, thanks for the 5 months. Angel, thank you for the Prime. Welcome. Cards, thanks for the 5 months. And Gungrave, thanks for the 8. Yeah, dude. I've got no doubt, absolutely no doubt. A lot of people complained about crosshairs. We're definitely using crosshairs. A whole lot of people's accuracy is not really fucking changed. I tell you that much, chat. A whole lot of people's accuracy is somehow very similar. A little bit strange, but who knows? Would you ever consider PD department specific guns? I mean, there already is that though. There's the 7.62 and the 9mm, which we got to change up now. So I feel like it's already a thing. Bam, bam, minute, 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 minute. So it's gonna get removed from the gang store, whatever the fuck that shit is, bro. Off the Is this even working? What the fuck? Yeah, it was 6. And the gang store. Yo, Alex, you guys there, dude? Alex and Russian, are you guys pussies, by the way? Does it trigger you that I just push you straight to dev and straight to master? Little pussies, little pusses, fucking pussies, bro. I'm gonna tell on you. Tell my mom. I bet. I bet. Flip it and ship it to Nike's, boys. Yo, Nike's a pussy, bro. Nike's a pussy, bro. He a puss, bro. I'm dying. Help. Nike's a puss, bro. A little puss. This is how gangster I am, dude. I'm not even scared of this shit. He's over there making P work, and I'm over here exploding things like a cool guy. I think I need to walk away for it to stop beeping. Bang! Explosion! Add the scorpion to crafting. I'm pretty sure you can already craft it somewhere, potato boy. Yo, my bad. Siler, thanks for the 2 years. Mainframe, thanks for the 9 months. And Dirty, thanks for gifting a sub to Alex. He's my poop friend. We like poops. We like poops. I can't wait till you can poo in game. I'm in God mode, my dude. I'm in Koil mode, my dude. Fix gun metas cucked by the cock lord. Was it Quef? Do we say Quef or is it just Wef? I can't remember. But I think it's just Wef, right? There you go, Nux. Hope you enjoy that. All right. So yeah, heavy pistol is off PD, no longer there. 9mm, no longer a criminal thing. You know what would also be interesting is me changing the deterioration of cop guns and shit now, so they're just worthless to civilians, unless they need them for that scenario. I'm just gonna wait for 3.0. That's in 3.0 anyway. I could be fucking bothered doing it. Dude, I've only streamed for 2 hours and 40 minutes. Can you believe that? He's gonna lose his mind. Dude, listen, it's on Dev Branch, okay? I tested it. It works. Alright, everything was working. I'm just the guy for the job. I know the guy for the job. He's a great guy. He's a real good guy. His name's Koil. In fact, he's probably overqualified for the job. Also, the elections were rigged. Push it live and crash everybody. Yo, Alexander, thanks for the 15. Dude, wait, someone gifted you a sub, but you could still do the 15-month thing? Nice hacks, bro. Mainframe, thanks for the 5 gifted. You're a champion. Recount the votes, bro. This is fraud. The election's rigged. Restart the server. I don't think we need to restart the server for gun changes, in all honesty. I did push earlier before the server restarted. The vehicles now take extra damage. When I say extra damage, they can absorb more damage before crashing or exploding from gunshots. But if you're a potato and repair your car with a with a repair kit, and then you get shot and you're like, oh, why did it break? That's because your car was still fucked. So you got to remember that. If you want your car to be fixed, take it to a repair shop. Yo, something, what up, dude? Be alright, bro. So, chat, am I gonna open the Pokemon Evolutions packs on stream? And, dude, I hope they're resealed. That would make for some great content. You know what? I did get them off eBay, but they actually, it's from a shop that has like really good reviews, so they also sell other Pokemon shit. I doubt they're gonna be resealed. What sort of fucking loser spends their time resealing like a $700 box? You know what I mean? Like that's some shit that like a stoner 14-year-old does with meth parents. You know what I mean? I don't think somebody that owns a store is gonna do some shit like that. I mean, again, I got 2 boxes of Evolution, so they're 700 each. AU, so it's like 500-ish, 600 American. But, you know, depending on how it goes, you know, I wouldn't mind doing some shit where we can do giveaways and shit, because not make you guys buy the cards, but actually just give away packs to people in the stream that have been, you know, bros, because we got Christmas coming up, so maybe I could buy another box or 2 around Christmas, and then we can give packs away, and if you get something poggers, I'll post it out to you. Or something that you really want. And depending on the postage costs, obviously, you know, it should be okay. It should be okay. Maybe give a few packs to people or some shit so it's worth the postage or whatever. Spending money on Pokemon cards and not getting Anna her Tesla? Shit, bruh. Toxic as fuck, bruh. Wait, can I blow this glass up, chat? No way this glass is gonna break, right? Damn, that's bomb-proof glass. Why don't they just make this around the planet, and then if a meteor hits it, it's safe. Oh my god, the recoil. Oh. Woo. I really need the crosshair. I do, though. That's the thing. Dude, if I had good ping as well, oof, geez, I would delete these virgins. I already feel like I feel like I've turned into Super Saiyan. Anytime somebody's like fucking shooting at me and it's a 1v1, I'm thinking to myself, bro, this motherfucker about to cop it, bro. This motherfucker about to cop it, bro. I'm better than Shroud, bro. I'm better than aimbots, bro. I got my own aimbots, bro. Just move to Florida like everyone else. Well, half the fucking 90% of the servers move into fucking Texas. A lot of streamers go to Texas because of the taxes. Move the fuck that. Is Florida a place where you don't have to pay state taxes? Florida's the same. Okay, well, there you go. Smart moves. I think I'd live in Florida too over anywhere, dude. I don't care about alligators. Can you guys swim in the ocean over there without dying to things? Yeah, see, I prefer that. You know, I go swimming in Australia. I feel some seaweed. I feel some seaweed on my leg. I have a fucking heart attack and think it's a fucking, I don't even know. A fucking butterfly, toad, shark, fucking stingray fish, dude. I just shit myself. A great white fucking flossing its teeth there, dude. The people is what should concern you. Yeah, true. It's drugs. I think a lot of the time, like people, when it's hot and you take drugs, it totally makes you fucking more insane. You get like dehydrated twice as bad and all that sort of shit too, dude. It must be fucking horrible doing drugs in a place like that. I can just imagine getting on fucking methamphetamines, going outside, and you already want water because you're just on meth, and then afterwards you walk into fucking humidity that just wants to eat your anal cavity. Whew, fuck that shit, dude. You got twice the chance to go nuts over there. You pay tax on what you buy. That's sort of what we have. We got like GST, which is like a 10% tax sort of thing. Is that you hot as fuck? Depends where you are. But yeah, where I live, it gets 40 degrees Celsius, but the humidity is pretty good. So if I'm sitting under the shade or some shit, I can just sit there and chill, you know, have drink or whatever. It's all good. But if you're sitting out in the sun, bro, you got to turn into a fucking prawn, and literally shed your skin like a fucking snake in about a week. That's what it's like. As long as you're protective of yourself, it's not too bad. If you go up north, though, it's very humid. It'd be similar to Florida type AIDS. How hot does it get in Florida, though? Like, what's the max temperature Celsius wise it would get? Yeah, no, Townsville's a different breed of disgusting. Yeah, so I'd imagine places like Townsville in Florida would be similar. In terms of like summer heat. You know, I remember, dude, I went on a my mate was like, yo, it's cheap as fuck, let's go to Townsville. It's like fucking $700 or something. You can stay there for like a week, and well, I don't know, it was like $300. I can't fucking remember, flights and everything. I'm like, fuck yeah, dude, let's go up to Townsville in the middle of fucking summer, and just be like fucking drinking and, you know, doing whatever the fuck you do in Townsville, be a bogan. We went up there, and I shit you not, bro, first time I walked out, I thought I was gonna die. Okay, I went to we went to get dinner, and I was drinking orange juice, okay, like it was God's tears. All right, it was the most satisfying thing I could ever drink. It made me love everything that was cold, dude. It was crazy. It was crazy. Even when you were drinking beer or anything like that, it was like you were just drinking fucking God's nectars. It was insane. It was insane. In the middle of fucking like the hottest part of the year, walking around in humidity. Ooh, shit, it's painful. I mean, you can live with it or whatever, but it's just like fucking bruh. I ain't trying to have a fucking sweaty anus my entire life. Okay, just like 10% of it. Not the entire time I'm doing shit. No, I'm in southern New South Wales. It gets fucking real hot down here though still. I'd much prefer 45 degrees Celsius over like 30 plus and humidity. High humidity. I would always prefer that. Always. Yeah, humidity is the killer, bro. Although sometimes when it gets really hot here, it gets so hot that like through the day you don't really notice it, but when the sun goes down, you actually feel the heat coming out of like the road and the ground. It feels like it's a really strange feeling, but it feels like you're walking on a giant like frying pan that is just, you know, just starting to cool down. It's hot enough that you could like touch it and burn your hands, but not like you have to hold your hands there to burn it, sort of thing. That's what it feels like though in the afternoons. The heat just coming off the ground is insane. How come you can't build? Wait, what the fuck? When it's hot at night, you want to fucking kill yourself? Yeah, well, I have my heater or air conditioning going 24/7. Fuck that shit, dude. I don't give a fuck if I have to pay like 200 plus a month for electricity and gas and shit. I'm fucking doing it. I'm sort of lucky with the house though. Like I said, it's not that humid, so the aircon doesn't stay on all that much. Aircon is for pussies? Yeah, well, especially your mum's pussy, because after I get in that shit, it's real hot. She need aircon in that pussy, bro. Boom, roasted. Is there anything we could change to like somehow make the server entertaining again? Maybe like changing the weed to like fucking meth or something, bro. Opening the old meth lab would be cool though. Why don't we just download SVRP and see what they've changed from our 2.0 files and just add that again? Guys, I'm not lying to you when I say this, by the way. When I added the weed fields back in, I actually Googled NoPixel dump files, which are stolen files, and I used them to add our old weed back and modify it. I'm not even fucking lying when I say that, by the way. Yo, Gold, thanks for the 16 months. Big Man, thanks for the 7. Code Dude, thanks for the 49. And Jay, thanks for the 7. RS3, thanks for the 21. That's not even a meme. That's 100% serious. I downloaded, you know, as fucked up as it is, we've got infinite backups of all our files on the internet. So thanks for the free backups, boys. Appreciate it, dudes. Too bad no one still plays on your shit service. How do they get leaked? Oh, let me just publicly tell you exactly how to get the files. That'll help.
A sorry wouldn't kill you.
Dude, Francis the dog.
It's me, Francis. I'm the dog god. Don't stopping me, please. Please.
PogChamp, bruh. PogChamp, by the way, bruh. Release the files and Trump releases his tax returns. Why does anyone give a fuck about Trump's tax returns? Like, he's obviously business oriented and he's got to do anything legally to manipulate money and avoid paying taxes. That's literally the president you voted for. That is the sort of person he is. That's what America is. America's about all this fucking capitalism dumb shit. And people are fucking like Pikachu face when he's like, you know, doing this shit. It's unbelievable how fucking stupid some people are. Quote unquote legally. Sure. No. I guarantee if it wasn't legal, dude, listen, bro, let me tell you about how the fucking world works, okay? You might think he's some untouchable god tier penis man, but the reality is this motherfucker has so much. He has more haters on the planet right now than anybody, okay? He's literally got the most haters over anybody. If there was some dumb shit that could be released and he could actually be charged for it, he'd be charged for it. Okay, I know there's a lot of shit that's been posted, but he always gets away with it because he knows how it works. That's just the reality of how it is. Loopholes and loopholes and loopholes. He's just playing the system. But in saying that, like, it's not like it wouldn't be it's the same everywhere. Every fucking business has got to cut every corner and go into every loophole they can. To avoid paying whatever they can. That's just how the fucking world works, dude. Just how it is. That doesn't mean he's a good person. Like, they're gonna be wrong. But, you know, that's the reality of what you vote for. Anyway, so all these guns are pretty cool, chat. What do we do, though? I don't know what to do. Feel like just big chilling right now. Terry Packer, when he was alive, admittedly paid $1 in tax. Yeah, so you've got to understand this. If you operate as a different entity for your businesses, so this is how the world works, okay? Well, not how it really works, but I'm gonna give you a rundown of how a lot of business entities work. This is me. I'm a businessman. I'm a businessman. I'm a businessman, okay? Well, that's good enough. I was gonna put a black suit on, but you know, it's gonna be weird to draw that. But I'm the businessman, okay? Here's my business. What this business does is it creates a fake businessman. Okay? It creates an entity that works like a person, but they pay the taxes. So I might own this business and I might be on the board, and there's other people over here on the board below, whatever, you know, works out. Like there's the other people that vote. They sort of look retarded. I don't know why they do, but you get the idea. There's other people on the board as well. But the reason I don't have to pay tax is because this entity over here that I've created is the one that is buying and changing all the money. But he does also pay tax. Like, he's always going to pay tax. There might be loopholes around this, but this is a dumbed down way of how, you know, a lot of businesses can work. They create dummy entities, but they still pay tax. But this tax might be limited to, like, you know, 25% or something, because it's a business. And that's the reason they do this. But the reason this guy over here doesn't need money is because his certain business could be buying a business car. He gets a little car. It's paid for in fuel because everything he does. He gets his phone. He gets, you know, whatever fucking office he wants over here. He gets all this shit paid for by the business. And that's why he doesn't need money, because everything's just paid for. You know what I mean? So he doesn't need to funnel money back to him. He does it through asset manipulation and shit. But he could also be funneling money, and that's where he would pay taxes. So there's probably loopholes in this area here as well that they do. But it gives you an idea that you know, the business entity isn't the person. So when you say people like what's the guy that Jeff Bezos? When people say Jeff Bezos is a fucking billionaire, he has billions and billions of dollars. The reality is this place probably has one Billy, and his entity is covering that. Then there's one over here with fucking another 10 billies. But he can't just like be like, okay, I want all this money now and go and buy the rest of the planet. That's not how it works. It's tied up into businesses that are in contracts to pay down people over and over and over and over and over. So the reality is, even though these businesses might have billions and billions, I mean, he might have billions. Don't get me wrong, but you get the idea of what I'm saying. The business entities control majority of the money, but these can also have contracts like with what Elon's done, where if you do X, Y, Z, the business will pay you out a certain amount. And you know, obviously, that can be whatever the fuck the business is allowed to do. So Bezos' billions are in stock options. Yeah, but you get what I'm saying. Like, there's a lot more value to these people than is just on their person. So when they say someone's net value could be like whatever, like 1 billion, the reality is it could actually be more if they've done their business things in a different way. So someone's net value could be deemed significantly less or significantly higher based on how their business entities are set up and shit. But obviously it's a lot more complex than that, but you guys get the idea. And obviously it's going to be different in different countries too. I'm sure America has similar things. Europe would have similar things like UK and whatnot, with how business entities are set up. And that's why, you know, for instance, Trump or somebody like that would open businesses in other countries. So when they get money, they have to pay different types of tax on it. So, you know, they might not even pay that much tax in America because a lot of it is out of the country as well. But yeah, that's you know, that's sort of how a lot of it is done. Americans get taxed on global earnings, I believe. Yeah, sure. The American people, but who's the entity that runs that business and who's under them? You know what I mean? So he might not run that. He might not be the entity that quote unquote controls that business. It could be someone put there as a dummy. You know what I'm saying? So he technically gets money funneled from it, but he might not. He might not be paying business tax based on that sort of shit. You're 17 and they take $100 from you every week. Well, you know, yeah. It can get a lot worse, my dude. Trust me. But my advice is, if you ever, dude, I don't know, man. If I was ever to live life, and what I will say to Jack is, try not so much to, so you can go get a degree or whatever. Sure, that's like not bad if you're very interested in what you're doing. But you want to stop working for people. You want to work for yourself at a point. That should be your goal always in your career, because no matter what, that's where majority of the money will come in. But yeah, every time you're under someone, I think you limit how much you want to grow, and you can get complacent and whatnot. Your goal in life, no matter what your job is to take it over. Be hungry. Eat people. Eat them. Eat them alive. Eat the motherfuckers, dude. You know, it's like all these small businesses around the world. You know, it's a market where they can make so much extra money from you that you want to be trying to move on and learn as much as you can from them. Because there's a reason why, you know, the guy that owns the fucking fast food shop down the corner, or the McDonald's around the corner, is, you know, living in a fucking house that is 10 times the size of yours. And it isn't necessarily because they tried harder in school. In fact, it almost always won't be that. It's because they don't give a fuck about you, and they make money off you. But what I was taught in school was like, sort of, hey, you got to go get a job. They never teach you how to, you know, get into a business and make a business and own a business and run that. It was always, yo, what do you want to be when you grow up? Do you want to be like, you know, a fucking, you know, like a fucking car salesman, or do you want to be a fucking accountant? Like, what do you want to do? It's never, do you want to run this fucking business and, you know, milk the accountant or milk the fucking bus driver or taxi driver? It's always the, you know, the normal route. Be a fucking teacher or whatever. I'm not saying those jobs are bad, by the way. I can totally understand the satisfaction of having a job and not wanting more. Like, don't get me wrong. At the end of the day, money's very, it's a number. You know, if you, and I've said this to Anna as well, I would have been content living in a fucking box and, you know, not needing to get a house and shit. But, you know, at the end of the day, having a kid and wifey's a little bit different. So, you know, don't think I'm like fucking shitting on you if you're enjoying life or whatever and do it a different way. I'm just saying, I know there's people out there that like are probably wanting more. I don't know. I have satisfaction in that sort of shit. So trade school is greater than college nowadays. Well, that's the thing. Like I said, you get into a trade in Australia, you can make decent money just being like a bricklayer or whatever. But once you get to a point where you know what you're doing, you shouldn't be working for the person you're working for always. You should be looking at, like, you know, doing jobs on the side and trying to build your own business. Because at the end of the day, the worst thing that can happen is your business fails, or it doesn't make as much as you want, and you can work for somebody else. You know, it depends on how saturated the workplace is. But generally, if you're a hard worker, you'll get there anyway, dude. If you do shit and you do it as good as anyone else or better, then, you know, you'll be fine, dude. Jesus later or bait, I don't know, dude. Already done 3 hours. And usually when I code, I got God mode on. I don't really feel like doing extra shit after it. Yo, 170 FPS is crazy, bro. Yo, Anonymous, Anonymous, thanks for the 5 gifted subs. Appreciate it, brother. Buy it. Thanks for the 16. Daz, thanks for the 20. Appreciate it, dudes. I'm not sure what I want to do, dudes, in all honesty. I am unsure. Short streams, yeah, but honestly, dude, when you sit there and code, I woke up and I was fucking annoyed because the launcher and shit was fucked up. Maybe I'll just do an afternoon stream or something, maybe. We'll see. I might just chill and end it. Who knows? Maybe the Pokemon cards will come today and I can do some openings tonight or some shit. We'll see what happens. But either way, I couldn't be fuck jumping into the server right now. I'm gonna go take a piss. I'm gonna eat lunch and then probably farm mythics or some shit like that. And I don't really want to do it on stream because you guys fucking, you know, it's about as entertaining as fingering your own butt with poop on it. So yeah, I'm a dip, I think, boys. But we'll see what happens tonight. You know, if I'm sitting around doing nothing, I'll more than likely want to stream and, you know, get some more hours in. So till then, chat, I'm gonna dump ads. And next server restart, these things should be in. So we'll see what happens, dudes. But till then, peace out. Appreciate you guys watching. Thanks for the support as always. Appreciate the subs, follows, all that sort of shit. But till next time, I'll see you guys around. Okay, bye bye. Have a good day.